Dear friends, the title of today's story is The Day the Clock Slept In. This story is about little Sammy when his alarm clock decided to take a nap. So let's start the story. Once upon a time, in a cozy little room, lived a little boy named Sammy. Sammy had a big adventure every morning with a very noisy opponent, his alarm clock. This clock, with its bright blue casing and shiny silver bells, had a habit of ringing just when Sammy's dreams were getting exciting. One morning, Sammy was deep in a dream where he was the captain of a spacecraft, navigating through mystical stars and space. Just as he was about to discover a hidden planet, the relentless ringing of his alarm clock pulled him back to reality. Sammy's dream and his abrupt awakening really capture the jarring transition from a fantastical adventure to the monotony of everyday life. That morning, as the clock blared its usual wake up call, Sammy, still groggy and a bit grumpy from being woken up, swung his arm out and hit the clock. The impact was strong, the clock was scared. That morning after the meeting with alarm clock, he smiled as he realized he had woken up right on time, without needing to rush. This morning felt different, peaceful, and promising. Sammy slid out of bed and padded into the bathroom. As he squeezed his favorite starry blue toothpaste onto his brush, he hummed a happy tune. The mirror reflected his grin. Today, his mom had made pancakes, his favorite. They were fluffy and golden, stacked high on a plate with a dollop of butter melting on top and a drizzle of maple syrup that made them shine. Sammy took his seat at the table, his eyes wide with delight. Sammy chatted about a school project he was excited about, and his parents listened intently, offering ideas and encouragement. Eating his breakfast without the usual rush felt like a treat to Sammy. He savored each bite of his pancake, enjoying how the flavors of syrup and berries mingled. The peace of the morning allowed him to truly appreciate the time spent with his family. As he left for school, Sammy felt content and well prepared, grateful for the peaceful, happy start to his day. He enjoyed the city and all seemed happy and delight. That day in school, Sammy found himself especially engaged and eager to learn. As he sat in his classroom, his eyes sparkled with curiosity and enthusiasm. His teacher, Mrs. Thompson, noticed his attentiveness and often smiled at him encouragingly as she taught. This boost in confidence carried Sammy through the rest of the day, keeping his spirits high and his mind sharp in all his classes. He was truly making the most of his school days, all starting from that one peaceful, happy morning. As soon as he got home from school, he changed into his play clothes and dashed outside to meet his friends at the neighborhood park. The park was buzzing with laughter and the sounds of children playing. Sammy was a whirlwind on the field, dribbling the ball with enthusiasm and skill. Sammy felt a sense of camaraderie and contentment as he laughed at jokes and talked about their day. The simple pleasure of playing and spending time with friends filled him with a warm, happy feeling. One bright and sunny morning, where Sammy was deep in a vivid dream where he was the captain of a pirate ship, sailing through the misty seas in search of hidden treasure. His ship, the Golden Adventure, cut through the waves, and his crew of loyal friends manned the sails and rigging, their eyes filled with the excitement of the hunt. As the birds chirped their merry tune outside Sammy's window, something peculiar happened. The old alarm clock in the hallway decided to take a little nap of its own and forgot to ring its usual wake-up chime. Unaware of this unusual turn of events, Sammy continued to slumber peacefully, wrapped in his adventurous dreams. When Sammy finally stirred from his slumber, he glanced groggily at his alarm clock and gasped in horror. It was already late morning, and he had slept through his usual wake-up time. Panicked, Sammy leaped out of bed, his heart racing as he realized that his entire day was about to be turned upside down. With a flurry of activity, Sammy rushed through his morning routine, brushing his teeth in record time and hastily throwing on his clothes. But try as he might, he couldn't seem to shake off the feeling that something was off kilter. With no time left for his usual sit down breakfast, Sammy quickly grabbed an apple from the kitchen counter and slipped it into his backpack. He tied his shoes at lightning speed. He dashed out the door. The cool morning air hit his face as he ran towards the bus stop, his school bag bouncing on his back. As Sammy dashed out the door, he was greeted by a world that seemed to be moving in fast forward. The streets were bustling with activity, and the sun was already high in the sky, casting long shadows across the town square. Sammy's stomach grumbled loudly, reminding him that he had missed breakfast, and his school bag felt strangely light, as if he had forgotten something important. Throughout the day, Sammy found himself playing catch-up, racing from one place to another in a frantic attempt to make up for lost time. But no matter how hard he tried, it seemed as though the world was determined to stay one step ahead of him. When Sammy arrived at school, slightly out of breath from his sprint to the bus and the classroom, he found that class had already started. As he slipped quietly through the door, trying not to draw attention, Mrs. Thompson, his teacher, was deep into explaining a new math concept. Sammy settled into his seat and tried to catch up, but he quickly realized he had missed some crucial information. By the time the sun began to dip below the horizon, casting a warm golden glow over Sunbeam Valley, Sammy was exhausted. He collapsed onto a nearby bench, his energy drained and his spirits low. Today's episode served as a valuable lesson for Sammy about the importance of his alarm clock, and it made him reflect on his relationship with it. He realized that the alarm clock wasn't just a noisy gadget meant to disrupt his sleep. Rather, it was a tool that helped him start his day right and keep on schedule. But just as Sammy was about to give in to despair, he felt a gentle tap on his shoulder. Turning around, he saw his friends standing there, their faces glowing with excitement. "Hey, Sammy! We've been looking everywhere for you," said his friend, Leon, with a grin. "We thought you might want to join us for a sunset picnic by the lake." As Sammy looked into the faces of his friends, he realized that despite the chaos of his day, there were still moments of joy and laughter to be found. With a smile, he nodded eagerly, feeling a newfound sense of peace wash over him. And as Sammy watched the sun sink below the horizon, painting the sky in shades of pink and orange, he knew that even on the days when everything seemed to go wrong, there was always the promise of a new dawn and the chance to start afresh. With a newfound respect and appreciation for his alarm clock, Sammy decided to ensure it was in perfect working order to help him start each day fresh and on time. So he took a closer look at the clock, remembering the time he had silenced it with a pressure. He wanted to make sure that nothing was hindering its functionality. Sammy now understood clearly that waking up on time truly set the stage for Sammy's day, imbuing it with a sense of control and readiness that resonated through all his activities. Dear friends, waking up on time wasn't just about adhering to a schedule, it was about setting a tone of respect and responsibility towards ourselves and our commitments. It was a simple practice that brought profound benefits, making each day not just manageable but also more enjoyable and successful. Friends, if you liked the story, please like, share and subscribe us. We are coming soon with more exciting and educational stories. Stay with us like this.